In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix lag and slow performance in TradingView so your charts run smoothly again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView on your browser and go to your chart screen. If your charts feel slow or laggy, start with a simple refresh. Press F5 on your keyboard to reload the page. This clears temporary glitches and often fixes minor issues instantly. If the problem continues, go to the Settings menu. Click on the gear icon at the top of your screen. Inside Settings, find the System section. Look for the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it's turned off, enable it. This allows your computer's graphics card to handle chart rendering. It can significantly improve performance, especially with multiple charts or indicators. After enabling it, refresh the page again. Now check if your charts are running smoother. If you still experience lag, the issue might be your browser. Try opening TradingView in a different browser. For example, switch from Chrome to Firefox or another browser. Sometimes browser extensions or updates can slow things down. Using a different browser can instantly fix the issue. You can also close unused tabs to free up memory and reduce the number of indicators on your chart if needed. These small changes can make a big difference in performance. That's it. You've successfully fixed TradingView lagging issues. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.